I was with that posh fella again last night, and my back box is brutalised.
Lovely.
I'm like a pieball and fingerless, I am. Ridden ragged.
Right, we get the picture, Lindsay. Pigland's town. Town full of pigs. Hello, Deadly Cuts. This is Michelle. You're late, Chantal.
I had to walk the long way because Dino said that he was going to shave my head.
For God's sake, Chantal.
I heard that he done it to Laura Martin and I had like a bleeding Maltese.
No, Dino robs half his takings every morning. Protection, he calls it.
Wish his dad had he protection.
With the gang escalate, we're knocking down the shops.
Dino's everybody's problem. What the hell do you think you're doing? Let her go!
Let me! I'll be taking all I can.
Have your money over here, you prick.
Murder! There was, when we left that off the menu the last time. Now, the chicken is served in a skewer, so we stab it through.
I think we'll have just 4 vodkas, thanks, Patsy.
Girls, your hairstyle show. Council isn't one going to shut down shop with an award-winning salon in it.
We have to try it.
We're Dalton Chadwick, with an Instagram following of 1.8 million, including almost 2 Kardashians.
We're beside a butcher's.
Okay, you beautiful blow-dried bastards. Style.
If a salon like that wins a competition like this, it's going to turn our industry on its head.
I like their pep.
Deadly Cuts cannot win.
Did you know this Dino fella? Any idea where he's gone?
We've done the world a favour. You've a community relying on you.
Of course, you know what we say. No body, no bother.